Happy Monday, my friends. Welcome back to another daily work from home job leads video. Anybody who celebrated the July 4th holiday, I hope you had a fabulous time with your friends and family. I know I had a great time on my vacation. I ate way too much, but we are getting back into the swing of things. Today, I have some full-time jobs for you. I also have two part-time jobs for you. Part-time jobs have flexible hours, so you can kind of set your own hours, work when you want to, work around other responsibilities and other jobs. We have some non-phone full-time jobs. We also have non-phone part-time jobs, and I threw a little bit of phone jobs in here too. Hopefully I have a mixed bag, try to make a little bit of something for everyone. We even have data entry. We have Nike hiring, so we are going to dive all in. Of course, if you're looking to get to the links to the pages that I share, these Glassdoor pages to read reviews on the company, or to the actual job application page to put that application in, links are always in the YouTube description box below the video, along with any timestamps. If you come to a job that is not for you, you can click the little timestamp and go ahead and move to the next one. All the links are on my website, and they are always listed in order in which I share them in the video, trying to make it as easy as possible for you. I always just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who would enjoy any of these, would be a great fit for these, please share with all your friends and family. But first up, we have the company ExamWorks. Now, ExamWorks has 408 reviews from past and current employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry associate. Now, it does say this is a full-time remote position, but they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Zone. So if you're outside of the time zone, you're going to have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They also offer overtime occasionally, but they are basically looking for somebody to do basic data entry, preparing and entering alphanumeric and alphabetic, like numeric numbers and all, from various source documents into their computer system for storage, processing, and management. So you are basically looking at a document, maybe it's in like a PDF format or something that doesn't transfer over very well, and you are reading that document and then typing that document into the system, gathering, organizing, and preparing these documents for data entry. Once you type what is on the form you're looking at into their computer system, you're going to review that data, making sure there are no errors, there are no missing pages of information, and if there are, you're going to resolve those errors or missing information by using standard procedures that they give you. You might also perform other clerical duties like filing, sorting, emailing, or proofreading as required. Now, the data you're going to be entering is going to be healthcare data, so you are going to have to follow HIPAA rules and regulations. I work in the healthcare field, and a lot of HIPAA rules and regulations, when you send emails, they have to be encrypted. If you have spreadsheets or documents attached, they have to be password protected. Things like that, you're just going to have to follow all the HIPAA laws so that no one's health information gets out to people it's not supposed to be in the hands of. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and somebody who can type at least 40 words per minute. Other than that, you've got to be able to just work with the computer, navigating multiple software programs at the same time, just using like Microsoft Word, Outlook for email, Excel, the internet, just basic computer skills. They do want somebody who has at least 6 months of experience, and it looks like they're going to make you take a typing test, and you have to make an 8,000 or higher on that typing test. Now, unfortunately, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. They did not list the actual pay in the job description. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. However, people who have worked for ExamWorks as a data entry associate have given their salary to Glassdoor. Glassdoor estimates the salary to be anywhere from $37,000 a year up to $48,000 a year. Now, moving on along, we have Nike hiring. Nike does not need any introduction. They have 15,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a digital content writer for their North America Consumer Care Department. So this one is going to require a degree in like journalism or something like that. You've got to be very good at writing, communications, things like that. But I have seen in the comments before that people who watch this channel do have some of those degrees and are looking for writing jobs. So of course, as always, if there's something specific that you're looking for, I can never make any promises, but you can always leave that down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Nike is open to remote work except in South Dakota, Vermont, or West Virginia. Right now, for whatever reason, they cannot hire remote workers in those areas. The pay for this one is going to range from $62,200 a year up to $139,200 a year. That's going to be highly dependent on your location and then your actual experience as well. But they are basically looking for somebody to research, write, and edit their digital content targeting the internal consumer care audiences. So you are going to partner on content needs based on products and business developments across the company, handling existing content, and be on call to make timely updates when needed for their frontline support. So you are going to respond to that internal feedback on content and always be updating that existing content, making changes, and crafting new content when needed for Nike's all of their stuff. So not just their website, but like their social media, their TikToks, everything like that. You are making all of their digital content, writing all of the digital content for them. You'll create new posts that notify athletes of any current events Nike is doing. You'll handle customer questions, suggest verbiage, and attend meetings when needed. Now, again, they require a bachelor degree in journalism, English, marketing, or communications. They say they'll take equivalent combination of education and experience and training. They want somebody who has 2 years of professional experience in content creating or copywriting journalism. So some kind of writing type role. You got to have experience making those tight deadlines, turning around. So be really fast at prioritizing and getting those pieces in. And of course, because this is a writing job, you've got to have great grammar and copy editing skills. Next up, we have the clothing brand Anthropologie. They're owned, I think, by Urban Outfitters. They have 4,200 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. And Anthropologie is looking for a web producer. This is going to be remote for the United States. All the jobs that I'm sharing are for the United States only. But Anthropologie is really looking for somebody to help them with their product catalog management for their Anthropologie.com website. This means that you are going to help with merchandising, buying, operations, marketing, design, copy, all of those things, keeping up that product catalog. So you're going to work with all of these other departments, making sure that the product categories based on the product attribution. You're going to take feedback from the merchandising team. You're going to look at current trends and you're going to run reporting and do analysis of the products and category metrics. So you are executing the product activations on the website, making sure that the on-site search is working. If people type in like t-shirt, they can get to the t-shirts and tank tops don't show up. You are keeping all of the products in specific categories. So you're doing a lot of monitoring of the website and the product catalog on the website, making sure everything is properly functioning. And again, you're going to pull reports as needed. So because you're going to do a lot of reporting with this just to make sure that everything is working, you do have to know how to use Microsoft Excel pretty well. Other than that, you've got to be tech savvy, know how to use web-based content management and e-commerce applications. You've got to be able to multitask working in multiple different computer systems. And you've got to be able to answer tech questions, troubleshoot problems. So you've really got to be a problem solver and just be tech savvy. Now, Anthropologie is again another one that did not list pay in the job description, but Glassdoor estimates pay for this job anywhere from $56,000 a year up to $90,000 a year. If you're here for the part-time flexible jobs, next two are part-time. First up, we have Bigger Pockets. Now, Bigger Pockets only has 34 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, I always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 3.9 out of 5 star rating, though. They are looking for an investor support specialist now because this is part-time remote. It is going to be a flexible schedule, but it is a freelance 1099 position. That means that you're going to be responsible for keeping money out when you get paid, paying your own taxes, reporting that on your tax return at the end of the year. And most 1099 jobs don't come with any insurance benefits, no paid time off, nothing like that. But you are basically going to be helping BiggerPockets members find an investor-friendly agent or lender based in their market for their investment strategy. So you are going to be doing phone work with this one. You're providing a specialized support to the members who are seeking to find that agent or lender. You'll communicate with investors, the investors that you're trying to hook the members up with directly through SMS. But with the members, you will be scheduling and taking calls with them. So this is two-way. You're going to be discussing both with the people who are looking for an investor and the investor you're trying to hook them up with. And the investors you'll do through text and the members you'll do through phone. Just engaging with them, learning about what the members are looking for, their strategies, and then just connecting them with the correct investor that handles strategies like that. So you will have to manage a calendar of appointments for your phone calls. Now, they only require 2 years of work experience in some kind of customer service work, great communication skills. You've got to have experience using like phone, email, live chat, things like that. It is preferred if you have experience in real estate. It's not required though. And they are paying $400 a week for this, and you get bonuses based on your performance. Now, this is part-time. They are looking for 20 hours a week. And if you break that $400 a week down by the 20 hours you'll be working, that is $20 per hour. This next part-time one, though, is going to be non-phone, still with flexible schedule. The company is RWS Group. They have 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data annotator for their AI models. Now, this is going to be U.S. English. It is remote part-time. They're looking for somebody to generally work 4 to 6 hours per day, and that can vary, but about 20 to 25 hours a week. Pay is anywhere from $14 to $20 per hour. That is going to be dependent on the specific project you are working. This is a 1099, again, contractor job. So it is going to be flexible in the hours that you can work. It says it's great for stay-at-home moms, dads, gig workers, freelancers, things like that, because you get to set your own schedule. But they are looking for somebody to do different tasks. This is going to be task-based work, and tasks can range from reviewing and scoring existing audio samples, providing feedback to speech recording or captioning, and sometimes you might have to transcribe things if the captioning is not correct. You're just going to be annotating and evaluating those audio samples, describing the speech sample that you hear, or rewriting those samples and just assigning categories to it. Now, they are looking for somebody who is fluent in the English language, somebody who is in the United States, and you can answer general free-form questions. So you've got a little bit of typing skills, you know how to use a computer. You've got to be detail-oriented, and of course, you've got to be able to meet their deadlines. But again, you can set your own schedule with this one. And of course, last but not least, if you're somebody who knows a lot about tech and you don't mind it being on the phone, GoGuardian is hiring for tech support. I know I've had some people in the comments in the past say they were looking for some kind of IT or tech support job. GoGuardian has 190 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. And again, they're looking for a technical support specialist. So you're really going to be supporting their IT administrators, teachers, or other faculty who have questions about using those GoGuardian products. You're going to respond to these customer queries in a timely and accurate way through email, chat, or phone, assisting them during operation or off-hour production emergencies. You're really educating and empowering these customers on task performance and investigations, how to use the product, any issues they have with using the product, and you'll do some reporting and analyze those reports, making sure that everything is working properly and there's no product malfunctions. Now, they are looking for somebody who can be a self-starter with great communication skills. You've got to be a problem solver and able to multitask. You'll be talking to them while documenting things in the system. You've got to have proven customer support, and you've got to be flexible with the hours that you can work. Their tech support hours are open from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and you'll be scheduled any kind of shift during that time. But pay for this position is $24 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave anything in the comments that you're looking for. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.